This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, January 8th, 2020. Let's take a look at the top US gainers for today. We can see number 3 on the top gainers is APLT, up about at the close, up close to 35%, 37% gain for the day. Not too bad. Now, it so happens that this stock was one of our premium breakout alerts all the way back to late November when it was trading at about $17, and this is for paid Muathe.com clients. So why was it on our breakout watch? Well, let's take a look at the charts. So late November, the breakout that we were capturing was this breakout here, and this is the weekly chart. And of course, we are using a weekly chart. Why? Because we don't have a fully developed monthly chart, this being an IPO from May 2019. So the breakout that we captured here when I sent out that breakout alert in late November, of course before today's move, is based on the fact that a couple of things were lining up. So let's see whether we can get all the parameters here. So we had a breakout attempt right here. Right here. That looked very tempting at the time. Why? Because if we take a look at the parameters that I talk about, you'll see them very clearly. Number one, we can see that the RSI was trading above 69.1. We can see that one of the MACDs, if not both of the MACDs, were trading at new highs. And of course, that met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. The method is very simple. This is something you can do for yourself. If you don't have the time, then find somebody who knows how to look for these types of breakouts. Of course, since this is my own researched method, I know what to look for. If you want guidance, well, come up to my website and follow along. Now, as a side note, you see this move above 69. This to me is a sign of power, a sign of strength, a sign of extreme bullish expectations and returns. Yet the interesting thing is, if you take a look at your textbooks, website resources, they tell you to avoid instruments trading with the RSI above 69.1. Now that's funny to me. I don't know where they get those insights, because this is exactly the opposite. We can see evidence of it on this simple chart here. The stock moved above 69.1 here, which is this entry for fantastic swing trade, which is here. This is a very desirable period. And then it moved above 69.1 again here. And even as we speak, the prices are still reflective of extreme desirable bullish momentum. So, while the textbooks are telling you to avoid stocks trading above 69.1, for more than 20 years, I've been telling you to buy stocks above 69.1, or at least consider them to be extremely bullish and desirable. One approach, in my opinion, is definitely wrong, easy to prove. And the other one is the sweet spot for momentum trading. You be the judge, you decide. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.